California may be losing a seat in Congress for the first time in its history, with population counts in the Golden State on the downturn. Let's go to Fox Business's Ashley Webster with the details. Ashley.
Hey, Brian, great to see you. Well, listen, it's no secret that California is losing population. Combination of high taxes, a high cost of living, and politics is leading to an exodus of people who find once they move, guess what? They're paying less for power, property taxes, income taxes, gas, even car registrations, you name it, they're paying less. And now, with the Census Bureau about to release its latest official headcount later today, California could pay the price with the loss of a congressional seat for the very first time in its history.
What we may see for the first time ever is that movement to the west doesn't go quite as far. It looks like they've stopped at the border instead of heading all the way to the coast.
Very interesting. Depending on how the head count turns out, Texas could gain as many as 3 congressional seats, from 36 to 39. Florida could add 2, from 27 to 29. We could also see single-seat gains for Arizona, Colorado, Montana, North Carolina, and Oregon. And with California's population growth hitting a record low, the trend, well, it shows that all roads pointing east. According to U-Haul, Tennessee has seen the biggest influx of one-way trucks, followed by Texas, Florida, Ohio, and Arizona. In other words, Brian, states that remarkably let you keep more of your own money. Coincidence? I don't think so.
Fascinating stuff, Ashley. Thank you so much for bringing that to us.